Hi you guys, grab your pencil and eraser and let's get started. Today we'll be drawing a simple Pikachu. Let's start with the head. Draw a circle. It can be pretty sketchy at this point, no big deal. Determine which way you want your head to be, up and down or tilted to the left or the right. Mine will be tilted to the right. So this will just be the sketch line for the middle of the face. You can add the cheeks, a little bump on each side. Place your long sort of rabbit-like ears wherever you'd like them to go. This one looks a little long on mine, so I'll try to shorten that up when we go to erase. Let's start to add the body. Draw a kind of curvy blob. Almost like a rectangle. But with round bottoms here. Next, little triangle feet. You can turn your paper as it helps you. Decide where you want the arms to go. Up in the air, down, pointing to himself or herself, or waving. I think I will add a kind of oval here, like my Pikachu is waving, and add 3 triangles for the fingers, and 1 for the kind of thumb. This arm will just be pointing to my Pikachu. So I'll make basically an oval. A little shorter on that side. Thumb, 1 finger, and I'm actually just going to fold my other 2 fingers like that. Decide which side you'd like your tail to be on. It's basically a lightning bolt. So over here, or over here. I think mine will be on this side. And you can think of these as kind of just rectangles. 1 rectangle here, 1 here, 1 here, one here, and a fat one here. Great. Let's start to figure out where the detail should go. Curves up here for the black part of the ears. Big circles here. For the eyes, if you don't like something, just grab your eraser, erase it back, and try again. You can always place a piece of paper underneath your palm to prevent those kind of smudges like you see on my page here. A napkin works as well. So I'll put the nose right about here. You can do just a kind of line, or you can add a little triangle, whatever you like. And then an almost W shape here. And a very big open mouth if you want it. Basically a U. And you can add the tongue in here as well. Don't forget to make kind of circles on the sides of the cheeks. And add in sort of ziggy zags right here for the tail. Now you can begin to erase back any extra smudges or lines that you have. For example, I don't need this line or this one either. Oh. Sometimes you have to take your eraser and go like this to make it white again, or pink, or whatever color your eraser is. Erase any extra lines you've got. Oh, looks like I forgot the toes, so we can go back to that. These are all extra lines up here, so I'll just erase those back. And I'll erase back this circle and draw it in a bit more clearly. And now we can go over our lines. Oh, and here are the 3 little toe lines that I forgot. So if you forgot those as well, go ahead and add those in. For me, it helps to turn my page, but to make sure that the camera focused on this picture, I actually taped my picture down. So for you, if it would help you, just go ahead and turn your page as you need to. And use your eraser whenever you need to. And here we can add a big highlight by just leaving a white empty space and then coloring in the blacks of the eyes. And here, if you want to, you can color in the blacks of the tips just with your pencil, or if you plan to color this, just leave that for black or brown or whatever you prefer. And then just go over each of your lines until you have a beautiful outline of your Pikachu. You can kind of shade this part in if you want to. And fix any shapes that you like. I'll just shade that in, and I'll shade this in as well. If you want to, you can add a little kind of bump here. If you want to indicate the bridge of the nose, almost like Mickey Mouse. And if you want to, you can add a little sort of circle shadow underneath as well. Feel free to shade or color your Pikachu. And please upload your picture if you would like to share, and I will write a note on it. And there you have it, you guys. Great job with this sketch. I'd love to see your results. See you next time.